In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create DocuSign templates. Templates in DocuSign are a huge time saver when you send the same documents over and over. We'll walk through setting one up so you can reuse it with just a few clicks. Start by opening DocuSign and heading to the Templates area. From there, choose Create Template. This opens a new template workspace. Give your template a clear, recognizable name so it's easy to find later. If you see fields for an email subject and message, go ahead and enter helpful defaults now. These will appear automatically whenever you use the template and can still be edited before sending. Next, add the document you want people to sign. Click Add Documents, pick Upload, and choose the file from your desktop. PDFs and Word files work well. If you have multiple documents that belong together, you can upload them all here in the order you want recipients to see them. Now, set up who will receive and sign the document by adding Recipient Roles. Instead of adding specific people, use roles like Buyer, Client, or HR Manager. Roles make your template reusable because you'll assign real names and emails later, each time you send. If your process has more than one recipient, add each role in the order they should receive and sign. You can also set a default email subject and message for each recipient role if that's available on your screen. When the document and roles are in place, click Next to move into the tagging screen, where you'll add the fields people interact with. Choose the Signature tool and click on the page where you want the signer's signature to appear. If your document needs additional fields, such as a printed name or title, you can add those too. At minimum, it's a best practice to add the Date Signed field right next to the signature so the signing date is captured automatically. If you have multiple recipient roles, be sure you're placing each field for the correct role. You can switch recipients using the drop-down above the field list. Take a moment to review your placement. You can drag fields to align them, resize them as needed, and zoom in for precision. If the same field appears on more than one page, place it wherever it's needed before you finish. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. Your template is now ready to use. The next time you need it, just open Templates, select this template, assign real recipients to the roles, and send. That's it. Your streamlined, repeatable workflow is set.